when can I sell a probate house in California? It's a question a lot of people ask us, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about probate real estate here in California. Well, the answer to that is somewhat simple. You can't sell the probate house until the court has given you authority. So once the court has appointed an administrator or executor, then you can move forward, and Bill can talk more about that process.
Sure. Thank you, Brendan. Yeah. Essentially, you can't list and sell the house, like Brendan said, until you get to that very first court hearing in probate and the court officially appoints either an administrator or executor to the estate. And essentially, that's getting all the initial paperwork filed with the court, getting your hearing date established, making sure that the publication and other things that are necessary before that first hearing comes so that everything's in order. The court will say, fine, they'll appoint you. They'll issue the letters of administration or letters testamentary. And once you have that document, you're pretty much free to go ahead and list and sell the home. Now, the one thing, though, that you do want to remember is that you want to be careful, especially if you're doing the probate yourself without an attorney or not using a service like ours. You want to make sure that you get to that first hearing and everything's in order. Otherwise, what's going to happen is the judge is going to continue it out to another date to give you time to get things fixed. And that, of course, is going to delay getting the house on the market and getting it sold. So you just want to be sure everything's in order. Now, how long does it take to get that first hearing? Well, again, that comes down to how busy is the court, how well organized is their probate department. A lot of counties, courts, you can get hearing dates in 30 to 45 days. However, I will tell you this, and it's no knock against Sacramento, California County, because we work in Sacramento a lot, but they are an extremely busy court. They're a very good court, but they're very busy. And at this time, which is October of 2022, if you apply for a hearing date to get the probate started, you're looking at anywhere from 3 to 4.5 months to get that first hearing date. So be ready for that. Be ready for that.
In many cases, though, we've seen once they have those letters of administration, we're about ready to put that home on the market pretty quickly. So if they're in that position to do that, that's really when that can happen. And then a typical probate sale, once you get an accepted offer, 30 days or less to close, and then you're done with that portion of it. One thing that we do see a lot, though, and you've probably had people reach out to you if you're going through the probate process, where someone will be searching through records and they'll find that you have some real estate that's going through probate. They'll search through court records, and Bill will probably at some point in a video coming up even talk about how people found your phone number while your phone is blowing up, and they'll say, hey, I have a cash offer for you. They'll try to give you possibly even a lowball offer. Maybe you're really stressed out and you're thinking, oh, maybe I should just sell this person. You can't sell that house until the court has appointed an administrator or executor, even if you're in the will. So you have to get that court appointment first before you do that. But again, when it comes down to those offers, typically I find that you are going to get a much lower offer than what the market value is. If you end up going to that person, the best choice is to go ahead and put it on the open market. It's usually best for the estate as well.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And there you have it. That's how soon can you put a probate house on the market and sell it in California.
Thank you so much. Please remember to subscribe. Send us your questions, emails. You can comment below. You can find our contact information on the channel. Reach out to us. We love to answer questions about real estate in California. And Bill here, he's a legal document assistant in California, handles tons of probates, thousands of them, and he loves to answer questions about the probate process in itself. Thank you so much.
Thank you.